Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. To do this you have to install Visual Studio Code. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the browser and then download Visual Studio Code. So click here download, then here Windows. So it will start downloading. I'll not download it because I have already downloaded and installed it in my PC. Here you can see Visual Studio Code. So this is the interface. And now what I need is Node.js. So I need to download Node.js. So what I have to do, I have to search here Node.js and click here download. So we just need this .msi installer. So just click here and then here you can see Node. Our file is downloaded successfully. Now we just have to go to the file location and then double click on it. And then we just have to check this, I accept and then next. So I want to actually keep them inside C drive, so I will not change it. If you want to change, you can change it through this button. So I will not change it. Let's just go the next. Okay, next, and then select this one, automatically install the necessary tools. Then next, install. Yes, and we just have to wait for some times until the installation is done. All right. Here you can see it's done. Now click on finish. And now if I go to the CMD, if I say Node, here you can see welcome to Node.js version 22.15.1. all right, so let's go here, and now I will go to the VSCode, and here I'm going to open a folder at first. So I'm going to go to the web development drive, and here I'll create a new file for JavaScript. Actually I'm not going to do this. I will actually open this HTML and CSS. So I'll add it, and here you can see I have the file test.js. Now I can actually run it by clicking here run code, and it will show in terminal. Here you can see 50. Now it's showing, right? I can go to the new terminal, and here if I say node, then the file name, let's say test.js. I'll actually go with the code one at first, and here, okay, then PowerShell, okay. And if I press enter, and here you can see the result is 50. So it's working, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.